Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Touch Trove. Today, we're exploring the latest rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Get ready for a game-changing design and feature upgrades. Samsung is shaking things up with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, introducing a new design philosophy that's a slight departure from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Imagine a phone with rounded edges similar to the Galaxy Note 7 and a thinner frame that reduces bezels. It's a sleek and comfortable design that's sure to impress. IC Universe is reporting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a new frame design, rounded on the back and straight on the display side. This innovative approach enhances comfort and makes the phone easier to hold. Picture the Galaxy Note 5 or Galaxy S7 with rounded corners and thinner flat frames. It's a beautiful design that's both functional and stylish. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is also expected to deliver enhanced performance and new features that cater to both current demands and future advancements in mobile technology. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is taking a giant leap forward with 16 GB of RAM, powered by the lightning-fast DDR6 technology. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a strategic move to future-proof this flagship device. With AI applications evolving rapidly, this extra RAM ensures seamless performance and paves the way for new features. Why 16 GB of RAM? Because AI apps are becoming increasingly complex, demanding more memory to run smoothly. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is ahead of the curve, ensuring that it can handle the most sophisticated AI features without any performance lag. This phone is built to last, maintaining its top-tier status for years to come. So, what does this mean for you? With 16 GB of RAM, you can enjoy seamless multitasking, lightning-fast app loading, enhanced AI performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is the perfect device for those who want a future-proof smartphone that can keep up with the latest technology advancements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is sticking with a 5,000 mAh battery capacity and 45W charging speed. But here's the thing, a new 3nm chipset is expected to boost efficiency, making the most of that battery life. And if rumors are true, a battery AI feature could increase battery life by 10%. I imagine getting more battery life without needing a bulkier battery. That's what Samsung's battery AI feature promises to deliver. We'll be keeping a close eye on this innovative tech and bringing you updates as we get them. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is also getting satellite connectivity. This game-changing feature will let users send emergency texts via satellite, even without a mobile network. It's a crucial lifeline in remote or emergency situations. That's it for today's video. Are you excited about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery life and satellite connectivity features? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates. We'll be bringing you more details on the Galaxy S25 series as they emerge, so stay tuned.